Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open, and right after the market opening, we saw retracement. We saw correction on the chart of gold. Gold made a high of 2009 2010 last week, and the high is still present. So the levels that we discussed on Friday, no, Saturday are still very much valid, and the strategy that we also discussed on Saturday is still very much valid. So if we consider the market sentiment, yes, there is no news about peace between Israel or Palestine. So as a result, the market sentiment is still bullish on gold. There is no sign of peace yet. So the situation may escalate further. It means that the crisis is still present. So as a result, further upside on gold is possible. If we look at the chart of gold, then we can see that right now gold is forming red candles. Okay, and as we all know, no market in the world goes up in a straight line, goes down in a straight line. Okay, so as a result, retracement is a part of the journey. So the first level on the chart of gold was around 1993 to 1997. Okay, and we can see the right now market is trading at the first support of 1996. The second support on the chart of gold is around 1989 to 1990. So this is the second support, and this is the first support. I have already taken a buy position around 1996 already. So let's wait and watch. In case the retracement or the correction on gold continues, I will go ahead with another buy at 1898.50. Already I have placed a buy limit at 1898.50. But in case market shows heavy retracement and market falls further, then obviously my stop loss will be hit, and instead of going for another buy position, I will prefer to book a loss. And if I see the market is taking support around 1980, then I may also go for a buy position, because around 1980, 1979, 1978, we also have third support on the chart of gold, but that level is far away. Before hitting this level, I would prefer to book my loss around 1987, 1986. So already I have taken a buy, so let's wait and watch. And if you already have taken a buy position on the chart of gold, be on the trade, because nothing has changed. This seems to be just a retracement on the chart. Okay, and if you have taken a sell position, then yes, my dear friend, there is no sign of peace yet. So as a result, gold may continue the upside. So as a result, be careful. Okay, and as I have already said in my previous video, that if gold crosses 2007, then also we can go for a buy, because this will be a buy at breakout. But in this type of market situation, instead of buying at breakout, buying at retracement is much more safer trading strategy, because we have been doing this when gold was around 1820, and that strategy paid us pretty well, and this strategy has been paying us a good amount of money for the last couple of years, isn't it? Again, I'm repeating that, my dear friends, there is no sign of peace yet. So as a result, gold may start going up again. Further upside on gold is still very much possible, because for a trend reversal on the chart of gold, we need the news, which we don't have yet. This week is full of events. We have NFP, we have Bank of Japan's conference. So yes, this week will be very important. But as of now, there is no sign of peace yet between Israel and Palestine. So as a result, further upside on gold is possible. If gold breaks 2010 level, we will get the confirmation that gold is continuing the upside, and we can go for a buy at breakout. But in this type of market situation, it is always better and safer to buy at retracement, because the risk to reward ratio is in our favor. So in that case, the first support is around 1993 to 1997, and the reason is that we have previous resistance around this area. Okay, previous resistance around this area, so this should be our first support, and the second support is around 1989 to 1990. This is our second support on the chart of gold. So if market bounces from these particular areas, we can easily go for a buy position. Those who have already taken a buy position like me, you can be on the trade, but please follow proper risk management. There is no 100% guarantee in the market, but we are traders, we are not gamblers. So as a result, we need to be ready for the loss. So my dear friends, calculate the loss. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital, because any trade may go wrong. But as a trader, it is very important for you to be ready for the loss. Okay, this is the main difference between a professional trader and a retail trader. A professional trader, okay, calculates the loss before taking the trade, whereas retail traders do not do that. Don't make the mistake, because if this trade, okay, if this trade hits my stop loss, then how much will I be losing? I'll be losing around 1.75 of the capital, only 1.75 of the capital. Okay, so more than 98% of my capital will be safe. But if one or two trades hits your SL, and if you lose just 10 to 20% of your capital, then yes, there is a severe problem with your risk management. Okay, so anyways, so 1993, 1997 is the first level where we can look for buy. The second level is around 1990, because we can see the previous, again here also previous resistance will be working as support here. Along with that, we also have the 50 moving average. Okay, and as I said that around 1980 also we have the third support, because of previous support around this area, good price rejection from below. So this level will be working as the support 3. But I will not be stretching my position till 1983 1980. I will book my loss. Okay, love, but let's be hopeful. Let's cross our fingers. Now if I take you to the 15 minutes chart, okay, if I take you to the 15 minutes chart, my reference, you can see that if we draw Fibonacci here, then more or less market is respecting Fibonacci very well, because when market made this high, you can see market has been Fibonacci respecting Fibonacci very well. So there is a chance that market will come down to 1993 and may go for a bounce. So nothing is guaranteed. Okay, let's wait and watch. Okay, so that's all. Okay, maybe market will gain some momentum during the US session. Okay, right now market seems a little bit lost, little bit confused, but at least there is some volatility in the market, because usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half. But today we can see that yes, gold market is volatile. Okay, you can see this is a news. Okay, it's 2 hours ago. So as a result, it is saying that gold is still trading above $2,000 level. But you can see here, Israel signaled a heavier assault on Gaza over the weekend as its war against Hamas ranges on, while US President Joe Biden urged Israel to increase humanitarian aid and prioritize the protection of civilians. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow. And be careful with your positions. Do not gamble. Okay. Bye bye.